you analyze the traffic coming to your website. Use Facebook Pixel, to gather data on customer activities, and also use email marketing solutions to be able to also send mails, newsletters to your customers. So this is how you can also be able to make serious money on your e-commerce website and enjoy profits. Number 4 is to sustainably scale your products. Be able to know your initial growth, and also you can also use Shopify Plus to offer more robust features handling your customers' transactions. So these are the 4 ways you can make serious money with e-commerce. Sustainably scale your products. That's number 4. Number 3 is data-driven marketing tactics in e-commerce. Number 2 is what is crafting a unique brand proposition. And finally, identify your high demand and low competition niches that you can plug in and make your money. Thanks for watching our channel, guys. To everything, 4 ways to make over 1 million with your online business. Thanks for watching our channel. This is a summary of how you can do that. You can just check also check the description box. You will see the link on how you can get this done. Thanks for watching our channel. Share it, like our channel, and like the video. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching the channel. This is the channel. God bless you. Bye.